Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I just slit the plastic on this. I have one Walmart beauty box and I have a second Walmart beauty box. I already did one box. I wasn't sure when these were coming, so I don't like to delay showing boxes too often. But there's basically a classic box and a trendsetter box, and I don't know which one I already did, if it was classic or trendsetter. I still haven't been able to tell from the website, but I will eventually figure it out. These boxes are free every season. You just pay $5 in shipping. They do offer a men's box and limited boxes every so often, and they're definitely worth getting. They're usually about $7, $9, somewhere in there. 4 seasons, 4 boxes, and you get approximately 5 items. I have wanted to I printed this email out a while back because they put these summer boxes. The last boxes we received were spring. They put the summer boxes on hold because of this reason. It says, "Hi, Beauty Box subscribers. Sometimes we all need a little makeover, right? We think so too. And that's why we are revamping our beauty box to make it an even better experience for you. Since we will be making some changes over the next couple of months, we will not be sending out an official summer box. We are excited to now announce that your next beauty box will be on its way this August." That didn't happen until October. It says, "So what happens next? In mid-August, you will receive an email saying that your fall beauty box is in the works." I don't remember getting an email. "Shortly after that, your box will be shipped." No. "The only thing left to do is enjoy trying your fall beauty products just in time to start the new season." And it's from the Customer Care Brand Share, which does the Walmart beauty boxes. I don't know about anybody else, but I expected to see some changes in the boxes. The first box that I unboxed looks everything like it did in the past. I don't see any differences, so I'm just going to finish taking this little plastic off that has my address on it and all that good stuff. So this is, like I said, box 1, and we'll do box 2 in just a moment. So I want to see what's in this box. And I'm going to show you, oops, a little paper fell out. And this looks very similar to the other beauty box that I did. The difference now, we get a little card with, you know, the items listed. And I'm just going to go straight through these because, like I said, this is very similar to my previous box. This is from Marc Anthony True Professionals, and this is strictly curls, and this is a curl defying lotion. And believe it or not, this is not full size. There's a bigger bottle full size, but this is full size in my opinion. So I probably will share one because I already have one. And then from Gold Bond, we have the Gold Bond product. I think it's a moisturizer, a plumping moisturizer. 7 plumping moisturizers. This is a lotion with vitamins, proteins, lipids. Gold Bond is usually pretty good. Then we have from Bausch+Lomb the Redness Reliever Eye Drops, and this is just a tiny little ampule. There's, you know, probably just a few drops, but it's enough for you to try it. I like that it's all sealed, so I'm happy with that. And I'm always happy to get a product from NYX, and this is the Butter Gloss, and this shade is Sorbet. I'm trying to think if the other one was Sorbet. I do believe so. So I'm happy to have that. Sometimes I like a good pink. So I think these are all pretty much the same that were in my previous box. And then this box, I got a sheet mask from Found, and they offered an assortment of masks. I have the red clay sheet mask. This is, you know, one mask. I think it's like $1 something, but they offered, you know, several different masks. So this probably is my trendsetter. I think the other one was my classic box. So that's, you know, for $5, this is not a bad box by any means whatsoever. And I always love getting my Walmart boxes. So in a way, I'm still happy they're back. Change or no change, I'm happy they're back. I just wish Target would come back with their boxes because I love them too. So now this box was a limited edition box that I ordered, and I do believe, let me get a price for you because I did write it down so I could tell you. The limited edition box, I think in total was $10.78. It was like $9.99, and then, you know, there's always going to be tax. So when you open it, this is what I see. So there's a whole bunch of goodies in here. And it still does come with a little pamphlet. Oh, yes. Item listings and no pricing, which is fine. I don't, because, you know, if there's samples, I don't, you know, pricing is not necessary. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items listed, and I think you get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you get 6 out of the 7. I'm perfectly fine with that on this box. So I'm going to just go straight in with the first item that I see. This is from Splat Hair Chalk. It's available in 7 vibrant shades. This temporary chalk slides on dry and instantly adds just that right touch of color to your tresses. And I have, if there's, does it tell me a shade? Oh, on the back you can see the different shades. Oh, even on the side you can see them. Trying to see if I can, yeah, this is a sealed box, so I don't want to open it. I wonder what color I have. Looks like a darker. Doesn't, like almost like one of the purples, maybe a dusty rose or the violet sky. So I don't know if you guys can see through there to get a good glimpse of the color. I don't know if it would show up in my hair, but that's always nice to get. I like that. So we'll save that. So here I have a nail polish, and it's from, much easier to see on the card, SinfulColors Professional Nail Polish, right here. Easy to apply and remove. These fun shades offer bold color payoff. And this is Good Girl 852. I'm not a big red fan, so I might give that away. I mean, maybe my toes, but I don't generally wear red. It flicks off. Like when you take your hand and if your nail hits a card, even with top coat on, the red comes off. So that's why I generally don't like it. Ooh, what is this? This is Hard Candy Glitter Otzi Crystal Lip Duo. Get 3D glitter, glam, and shine in an instant. Dual-ended, high-impact, super metallic, sparkling lipstick and glitter gloss. Wow. So we have a shade. Crushed Crimson. You can see that right there. Probably not going to open that. I might share that in a giveaway. This is really nice. I like this a lot. Hard Candy. I think I've only had a few things from them. So the next thing, ooh, is from NYX, which I love. Right here. Is this a lipstick? NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick. Yes. And this is in Red Haute. The focus. And this is sealed too. So I don't want to open this because I don't wear red. So I will be sharing that also. Let's see. Ooh, Milani. I love Milani. I have a lot of their makeup. So right here. And this is Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. Nice. And this, do we have a shade? Do they give a shade? 05 Summer Glow. You can see that on the box. And here's the product. I will probably share that also. Don't necessarily wear that. And then the last item is from Revlon. And let's open this up. Oh, this is nice. Right here. Revlon Color Stay 16-Hour Eyeshadow. And this is a quad palette. And you can see the back. It gives you some... This is 530 Seductive. I'll show you that again. Beautiful tones of purple, and they're all matte. And it is sealed, as you can see, so I'm going to leave it sealed. Sometimes I do like purple, so that is great. So we have, you know, the hair chalk. We have the little palette. We have a highlighter, which is always great. A nail polish, and 2 lip products. I think that's a great box to get as a limited edition. Definitely worth the $10. I mean, you know, the nail polish in itself, a lipstick in itself, covers the price of these boxes. So once again, happy with Walmart, whether it's the limited box or, you know, the classic and trendsetter. Happy to have them back, and maybe they didn't have time to do what they wanted to do, and that's fine. And if the boxes stay the way they are, I was happy with them before, so I'm still going to be happy with them. Come on, Target. Get back on the ball. Give us our Target Beauty boxes. I miss them so much. Found some great products. I loved unboxing them. I loved sharing them. And I loved getting them each month. So please consider getting them back. I'm going to actually tag Target in this to maybe they will see that and bring their boxes back. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and sign up for these. Like I said, free, and you just pay $5 shipping. It's once a season. Even if you just get one box, $5, and you get that. If you have a channel, that's a great video to do. That doesn't really, it only costs you $5 for the video. And so instead of spending like $25 or $30, $40 for a box to have a video, you could have $5 and have a video for your channel. Great idea. Or for Instagram stories or whatever you want to do, or just for yourself, for, you know, to use if you don't have a channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks, Walmart, for bringing your boxes back. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.